Alright, TikTok, today we're going to be putting on some new cab lights on my truck because that one up there got water inside, so it went dim. So we're going to be replacing it with a new set of cab lights. Pretty basic, you know. They should be white LEDs, kind of like that, but these are clear and those are smoke. Let's get started. All right, so I'm just gonna be unscrewing these screws right here. They're a Phillips head screw, and I'm gonna be removing all the silicone excess that I put around it so that it wouldn't leak. I did put silicone on top of the screws, but somehow I think I cracked the lens, and that's how water got inside. So I don't know. Wait, look. See how dim it is compared to this one? This one is also cracked right there, but that one's holding up for some reason. So